Happy Feast of Martyr Maximilian Kolbe and Happy Independence Day to Pakistan. Today the Church celebrates the feast of Martyr Maximilian Kolbe, who lived from 1894 to 1941. Born in Poland, Kolbe, a Franciscan priest, was arrested and put in a Nazi camp for aiding Jewish refugees. There he died, taking the place of a man condemned to die of starvation. He was canonized in 1982. In today's first reading from the book of Ezekiel, chapter 16, we hear, "Son of man, confront Jerusalem with her loathsome practices." In today's Gospel, according to Matthew chapter 19, we hear, "There are eunuchs born so from their mother's womb, but there are eunuchs made so by human agency, and there are eunuchs who have made themselves so for the kingdom of heaven." Today's reflection: sacrificing one's life for others. A young missionary was sent to a place where none liked to go. He would travel far on his bicycle, visiting people in their huts and small village houses. He was ever ready for teaching catechism to them and spent his whole time serving them. An elderly man got very sick, and he needed blood, while people around were skinny and poor and were afraid to donate blood for the ailing man. The young priest thought this was the time to prove to them his depth of love, and he offered himself, and he gave blood and saved his life. Due to insufficient rest and improper food, he was getting weaker and weaker every day, and after fighting with the sickness himself, slept in the Lord in next 7 months. He sacrificed his life for the ailing people and spent his whole self for the service as Jesus did it for all. God bless you.